Hi bazala bami zitho, welcome to Umkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zitho. It's about iShembe, inkonzo kaShembe Phakameni bazala bami zitho. So guys, there's another video that is trending, or pictures that are trending and making rounds on the social media of an 18-year-old girl getting married to a man that is over 50 years old, guys. So this girl, the allegations they're saying she just matriculated last year. That means they say if usaqhubeka school, she's doing first year, but if aqhubeka uqedile nje secondary. But I even saw on another video someone said the girl is doing grade 11, but she's 18, guys. So, guys, last year this thing has trended, and it trended kakhulu ngendlela yokuthi, and the sad part, the church was being dragged with these girls. They are young, and lapha, if you could see, they were cold drink Fanta orange, which is understandable. Angithi abantu basesontweni, they are not allowed to drink alcohol, so obvious bazothi mabamukisa ama-present, cold drinks should be there, not a case beer, because they don't believe in drinking alcohol and they are not allowed to drink alcohol, guys. So I just wanted to put my 2 cents on this thing. Ne? Yes, I'm not condoning behavior, and I'm not saying it is right of all men to marry young girls. But guys, we know that, and as someone who has friends abasonta, I do know that these girls, they are not forced. These girls yibo abakhethwa yilabo baba nabo bavume, and the behavior abatshelana yona, maybe they believe that abo abadala bangcono kunabantwana abancane, because we know most young boys bagcwele ukudlala, and obvious it is into kumele bayenze because they are young. So maybe bona ilama ntombazana, ingqondo yentombazana hamba fast, guys. So these are girls that they believe ukuthi mawushade usesemncane, you build usesemncane, then usheshe uqede, understand? Maybe they have their own reasons. I saw a video, one of the girls beba trenda last year, uke wa explain ukuthi no, kibo bayabakhuza labantwana. Some of these ladies emakubo bayabakhuza, but some of them emakubo bayavuma. And if umntana sekafuna ukushada, guys, as a parent yini ekumele uyenze? As a parent yini into ozoyisho? Because lo muntu lo uyajola nalo baba, ufuna ukushada nalo baba, you saying no, that won't make this girl to dump lo baba kwahlwa no baba. Yes, ungalwa as umzali, but sometimes mawumzali kumele umyeke umntwana bese azibonele, because I really don't understand ukuthi why abazali they are being dragged kangaka, because these kids, I don't think they are being forced. I mean, I think it's something maybe abayibone iyenzwa ngaphambilini, and it's something that they believe bona it's a right thing. But as for Magatsheni, I don't think it's a right thing. I feel as if it's so unfair to ukuthi sikudrekwe isonto, as if imthatha sesontweni ukuthi abo baba laba bathathe ingane encane. Because last year I even saw ukuthi abanye ezinye ingane, like if you check the age difference, it was not bad. Thola ukuthi ingane na 18 nobhuti ona 23, because futhi of umthetho wabo ukuthi they are not allowed to shave inwele. Some of these guys, they look very old, but this one you could see this guy is old, and uthola ukuthi lo mntana lo nkosikazi was 3 or was 4, or not the first wife, uthola ukuthi second, third or fourth, even fifth. But labantwana laba, the question is bayafosta na? No, labantwana nje bona babodwa engathi bayakhohlisana, and because it's something that has been happening esontweni, they think it's the right thing, but that doesn't mean umthetho wesonto ukuthi ingane encane zizoshada baba abadala. And I think into mhlawumbe umfundisi wabo kumele address nalo baba ukuthi, as much as we understand ukuthi niyazithanda lengane, and akekho guys umuntu othatha isithembu mhlawumbe number 3 number 4 athathe umama omdala. Sabe sicale ngumisizulu last time athi uthatha the lady who's presenting fake pastors, nakhona zange umshado wabo uphumelele mos. But I've never seen mina umuntu mhlambe athi uthatha number 4 wakhona i-age alingane no number 1. I've never seen that. You can look at amadodana esithembu South Africa, yoGumbi, Babu Mseleku, the former president Mr. Jacob Zuma. The more bathatha, the more age yehla, because umfazi omncane kaMseleku una 25. uLaConco was once married to Mr. Zuma, which is the former president of the country. uLaConco no Zuma, I think the age difference is more than 40. uMr Gumbi uceda ukushada inkosikazi incane even to ingane yakhe first born. I understand. I think indlela amadoda abayibona ngayo, but it needs to be addressed. And le ngane lezi or maybe they deserve a reality show where we could understand ukuthi bayafostwa or abafoster, because even noThando noSiyacela, you know ukuthi if you have been watching isencane le ngane, you'll know that uThando azange afoster ukushada. It was a decision yakhe, even though emshadweni wakhe kunenkinga, but it was a decision yakhe and something kubo bambuza wavuma naye. But bazamzi, so please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Ngilithanda ukuya nokubuya.